Today, we're making fluffy magic pancakes. They're soft, delicious, and super fun to make. That's all we need. Just a few simple ingredients, and we're ready to cook. First, let's pour the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt into the bowl. Give it a little mix. Now crack an egg into another bowl, pour in the milk, and mix it all together. Great job! Now we have our pancake batter. Now ask a grown-up to help you heat a pan. Add a little butter so our pancakes don't stick. Ooh! Do you see the little bubbles? That means it's time to flip. Ta-da! A perfect golden pancake. Now for the best part, decorating. You can add fruits, honey, or even a little whipped cream. Wow, what a yummy masterpiece. Cooking is so much fun. And guess what? You can try making pancakes with different flavors too. Cooking is like science and art combined, so keep trying new recipes and have fun in the kitchen.